Hello everyone. Today I will show you how we can create new user in Microsoft 365 Admin Center and how we can grant a license using group assignment. Okay, so let's go to our Microsoft 365 Admin uh, trial version. Okay, let's click on Add User option. Here you will see basic required details option. Just enter username. Maybe I'm just entering a test user. Okay, so Sai Kumar Pella. Okay, my username will be S Pella. If you have any custom domains added to your Microsoft 365 tenant, you can use it here. And like we require to validate our domain by giving the MX record, TXT records. So that is a different story. As this is a test tenant, I don't have such setup. So I will just go ahead and create with the default domain. Now, the second part is automatically create a password, which will generate 12 character or 16 character of password. And user, if we select this option, user needs to change the password at next logon. Okay, so I'm not going to choose this one, and I will just hit next. And this part is for licensing. As I told, we are going to assign license using group. So I will go with the not recommended option and hit next. This is the basic information. What is the job title and any other details like a department you need to fill here. Okay. So I will just put some random information. Okay. And any other details like a phone number or anything you may enter. I will enter the region and hit next. So this is what it looks like. Hit finish adding. Really simple, guys. And you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yeah, that's what I said. 16 characters um, alphanumeric password you get. Mm, Okay, so I will show you how we can log in with this account and we will see how we can add the license as well. Okay, so it will show here in no time. Sai Kumar Bella. Okay, there it is. So this user don't have license right now. Now what we will do, we will create one group. With that group, we will assign the licenses. Okay. So we have a couple of other groups as well, like Microsoft 365 groups, distribution list, and security groups as well. But in this case, we can use security group to assign the licenses as well as Microsoft 365 group can help, but I recommend go ahead with security group. Okay. Hit on security, add a security group. I will name like Microsoft E3, no, sorry, 365 E3 license. I will give short description. Uh, Same, I will copy paste here. Hit next. Okay, create group, close it. Okay, now that group will come up here. There it is. So this group is created for assigning the license. So what I will do, I will just copy this group, okay, and go to our billing section under licenses. Here you will see what are the licenses you have in your tenant. Just I have only one license, uh, Microsoft 365 E3. Count is around 25, which comes with free tenant. So now you will see how many users have this license assigned, okay? And the other tab you will see groups. on which groups this license is assigned. So if you click on assign licenses, you need to enter the group which we created recently or any group you have created to assign the license. If you have any dynamic group, that can be I mean, that is really helpful. If any user is being created, that group will automatically assign the E3 license. It will take some time, like it will show in progress first, and then it will go to next phase. Okay. So I can see this is in progress. Let's wait for 1 minute. Meanwhile, let me add this user into Microsoft 365 E3 licensing. Again, go to active users, security groups, and you will see the groups is available here. Open that group and go to members, view all and manage members. It shouldn't take that much of time, but let's see. Let me give one more try. Go to members, manage and view members. Okay, here you go. So Sai Kumar Bella. Okay, just hit add that button and user is added to security group. Now let's go back and see if this user gets a license. It will just take some time, my friends. Mm, Okay, there you go. So we can see that user got Microsoft 365 E3 license. I will just open his property and we will see that the user got license as well, E3, and the mailbox and OneDrive is created. That's all for today. We'll see you in next video.